Thursday, 12th, day 6, week 3. 3 weeks. Done with already. Took exam 2 as a group. So, what the students need to do, if you haven't taken it, you need to see me, then you need to think about, or educationally we talk about you need to reflect. On your learning. Okay, what things you knew, what things did you know? Okay, so I'll just, what things did you know, what things you didn't know, why you didn't know them, you know, how are you approaching the curriculum? So you need to, it's called metacognition. Yeah, metacognition, yeah, educational word, is to think about how you learn. Anyway, we'll talk more about that as we go along. So if you have some questions, you gotta let me know. We can add the Wi-Fi later. I'm doing a little bit of research on some access points. And then we did a spanning tree protocol introduction. We're going to document that lab. Don't need to turn it in yet, but we got to start on it today. A brief introduction to spanning trees. So this is our current environment. Okay. And we said, well, what if we want to build redundancy into this network, so we could add a similar network over here, and then just create some of these trunks, links from here to here, maybe here to here, here to up here. This isn't drawn out perfectly. You would design it a little bit different, but it was just handy to show this. Now, let's go 2 VLANs. Let's say we have a green VLAN. Well, with spanning tree, let's say you can set the green VLAN so it should go to this switch. So they call root. So these would have ports that point at the root bridge. And let's say red. Maybe red will go this way. So here's the root for the red VLAN. Maybe this is 40 and maybe this is 50. Okay? The idea is if a link, if for example we have a link go down, you can't go this way, then we want this traffic to be able to go this way. I guess I could do it this way. The red traffic then go this way. And vice versa. If a link go down here, we want the green maybe to go this way if it needs to. Now, when we hook these switches together, we're going to create loops. So what spanning tree does is it marks off which ones to get to the root, and then marks the other one as a designated port. That's a port you're going to use if the other port is not accessible. And spanning tree does all the work. And there's different levels of spanning tree. Okay? So that's what we're reading about for the next chapter. Okay, FYI, we had a networking example here, and I jot these notes down, and I put it in the display here. I could talk through it, but anyway, we've done a lot of addressing before. If you wanted me to go through it again, this was a /27. We figured out what it'd be, 255, 255, 255, 224 for the mask, or a /27, right? 24 bits, 25, 26, 27. Then I started addressing it out. Your first addresses would be all zeros, and that would be addresses 1 to 30. 31 is the broadcast, 32 is the next network. So then 32 is the next network, so you can use 33 to 62. 63 is the broadcast, 64 is the next network, and so forth. This is how I always do. I just write the number down. I don't try to memorize exactly what masks for what or whatever. I just draw it out quick, jot it down, because this will always work. Alright, it's been a good first 3 weeks. So our work now is in the spanning tree protocol chapter. And that'll tie right into the next chapter where we talk about ether channels and hot standby. That'll make sense when we get to it. That's it.